Previously, we have learned how to create a design from scratch, and in this video, I will guide you guys how to start your design by using template. Speaking on template, we have several methods to get started. As previously mentioned, we can look for any template we want at this section. I have also started the Instagram design via this Instagram post. Right. Apart from this, we can hover over the template section and look for the template we want. And there is ton of template for us to choose. Again, for demonstration purposes, I will start using the Instagram post. And from here, we can see there is a lot of nice template for us to choose. We can choose any template that we want and just start to do our design. Apart from this, you can start a blank template by clicking this blank Instagram post. And the last option for you to select the template can be at this template tab. You can just click on this template tab and look for the respective template you want. You can even search from here. Take an example, if I own a cafe business, I can search cafe, and there is a lot of cafe relevant design for me to choose. I can just hover over here, just click the design I want. The whole design will fall into your design dashboard. You can start to make a design from it. This is how simple way we make use of template to start our design.